Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a beautiful 2011 Kawasaki Concours 14. This bike is just in almost immaculate condition. It's just perfect. It's all of the plastic is in excellent shape, paint, chrome, trim, everything on this bike has just been very, very well taken care of. It's about a little over 1,350 cc's. It's a liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder. Got inverted shocks, radial mount, dual front disc brakes. It's got Kawasaki's patented traction control on it here. Good tires, aluminum rims. All of the plastic looks real good. I didn't see any marks or places where it was cracked or any of that. This looks like the bike was taken care of really well. It's got, let's see, 4,731 miles. A real nice dash layout there. Very easy to see while you're riding. It's a sport touring bike, so you're actually setting up a little more than you do like on a sport bike. So it's very comfortable for cross-country riding. The bike has got a 6-speed transmission. Shaft drive bike. It does have a center stand too. Passenger pegs so you can ride two up. I think the bags are locked. Let me get the key and I'll unlock a bag for you and show you how that works. And just put your gear in there and push this back down. Let's see, push it down and then lock it. This bike's got heated hand grips. All the control up here. It's got an electric windshield. Let's see, I have to turn it on here for that to happen. It just fired up and let you give it a listen. Really can't hardly hear it run, but this is the windshield adjustment there. That's really handy. It's nice and quiet, revs real quick. Red line's at about 10.5. Bike's got a good tire on the back. Rear disc brake. If you'd like to know more about this 2011 Kawasaki Concours, call our sales team toll-free at 888-400-1151. I can tell you all about it. Got headlight adjustments, 12-volt DC output there. Very, very nice bike. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good quality used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. There'll be a link in the description just below this video. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this one to you. It's been through our shop, checked out, serviced, inspected, and safety checked, so it's ready to ride. If you wanted to fly into DFW International Airport, we're about 15 minutes from there. We can pick you up, bring you here, and you can pick your bike up and make a fun road trip out of the deal. Alright, well, this is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.